What is the Jolly Roger stand, Thomas Kiddie rides? Yeah, by the way, I'm going to be putting this with the lights on in the dark. If you're wondering. You remember Jolly Roger? In 2006? All the lights of the Lion Thomas Limited. Yeah. There's Vic Thomas over there, and Ben Holly. But apparently Ben Holly won't stop moving over there. I don't think he's ever going to stop getting free credits, to be honest. If I'm honest. It looks a bit better in the dark with the lights on, actually. I have to be honest. So you can see Thomas's face better when it's dark with the lights on. Yeah, but Thomas is going off. And that's what Jolly Roger stand Thomas Kiddie rides. I thought with the lights on, by the way.